If you're using Nightcafe to create art using AI, then you'll be interested in this update. Normally you get an email and it says, hey, claim your daily free credits. And then you click the button and you get 5 free credits and you move on with your life. However, Nightcafe has recently changed how this works. So now if you go into Nightcafe to claim your daily credits, you're going to see a page that looks like this. And it says claim your daily reward, but it's not necessarily 5 credits. It could be actually up to 50 credits. And what you do is you need to create a free image. And so I'm just going to click this create button. It says here a cute miniature baby dragon sitting in a glass jewelry box overflowing with a glowing glass jewelry. I did not write this. This is a suggestion from Nightcafe. And if you don't like this one, you can click next suggestion and all of a sudden it gives you another suggestion. If you don't like that one, click it again. So I'm going to click this one here, WPAP elephant portrait. I'll click create. This is free. It's not costing me any credits. And now because I'm signed up on Nightcafe and I'm creating an image, I'm now part of a daily streak and now I can claim my reward. So I'm going to click this claim reward. I could get 5, I could get 10, I could get 50. And hey, in this case here, I got 7 credits instead of 5 credits. So now I'm up to 2,500 or so. Obviously, I've got some work to do if I want to use up these credits, which is awesome. And I've got a 5-day streak going. So it's rewarding me for updating this every day. Plus, I get a free image. Here's my cool blacklight elephant, for example. I love that. So I would encourage you to sign up on Nightcafe and then every day go in and you can claim your credits. And you might get 5, you might get 7 like I got, you might get even more. It's a fun way to challenge yourself to create cool art. And every day you can create a free image without costing any credits. So you can really have some fun and just try something completely wild because it's really no harm, no foul. Hope you found that helpful. I like using Nightcafe quite a bit. Here's a tutorial on how you can get the most out of it right here.